just go to the remote desktop. Let it, you start one of the things which you are using it. Okay, just click on the play button. Yeah, let it start.
So I tried to create new dev space also and use that, but still I'm getting the same error.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, no problem. Okay. So, in your remote desktop, is there anything? Can you share me your remote desktop or desktop? Just minimize the browser things.
Okay.
Minimize this as well. Okay, so this is yours. Okay, in the remote desktop, just open the remote desktop.
Okay.
Okay, minimize the browsers in this desktop.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm looking whether something details, cloud connector and things. Okay, so it is a 1 minute. Type this one, whether you are able to log into that one or not in the remote desktop.
In browser?
Yeah, in the remote desktop browser.
One session.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is a job. Okay, so yeah, click on. Okay. Yeah, click on that link. Okay, so here we need to log into the cloud connector. Okay, I'm typing the user ID. Use this user ID, and I will give the password. Just see whether.
I also have. Okay, this is yours.
Yeah, that is the password. Administrator is the user ID, and password is the same. Okay, try to log in with these credentials.
Okay, this is user ID.
Okay, remove the space. No? Administrator.
Copy and
yeah. So likewise, do the enter the password as well. Okay. See, you are now logging to the cloud connector. Why do we need this? Okay, so we have the on-premise system, that is S/4HANA. Okay, we want to deploy our code from BTP, from the Business Application Studio, which is on BTP, and the BTP is on cloud. Okay, so from cloud, we need to connect to the cloud connector. Okay, and we need to have a connection between the cloud connector as well as the
HANA system.
Okay, such that it will enable us to get a connection from the Business Application Studio to the cloud, to the on-premise system. Okay, so now you need to add your sub-account details here. Okay, so can you click plus add account, sub-account? Okay, so region, okay, before doing that, can you go to the service marketplace trail account? First step. Okay, can you go to click on the trail? Click on the trail account. No, the last one. Yeah. Okay, what do you see here? You see the region. USA East VA. When we created this BTP trial account, we used this, right? Yeah. So go to that tab, Cloud Connector tab. Okay, select the region USA East. Type it, you will get it. US East. No, not that one. Okay, BA, right?
This one.
Last one. Yeah, not Azure, AWS. AWS. This Amazon Web Service. Okay, sub-account. Sub-account is nothing but your account details. Okay, so you see sub account ID. Okay, this is a sub account ID. Okay, copy that, paste it in that one, sub account ID. Put your display name.
Means kind of ID or
any name you can put. You can put your own name.
okay.
Tanushree. Put your Tanushree. UI5_Tanush.
Okay.
You need to log. You need to provide the ID which you have given for the BTP. Okay, location ID, leave it blank and click Save. Fine. So, scroll down. See, your name is there, Tanu. Okay, it is not yet connected, I think. Okay, so can you click on the fourth icon?
Show details.
Show details. Okay.
Connections.
Fine. Okay. Click escape. Okay. Click on the first. Put your cursor on the first icon. First icon. Okay. Disconnect this sub account. No. Let it be like that. Okay. So you can click on edit to edit it one. Okay. Fine. Click on that arrow mark now. Okay.
Connected now.
Connected. You see, all are green. Okay. Now go to your trail account. Okay. Now click on connections.
Connections.
On the left hand side. On the left hand side.
Connectivity is there.
Yeah, connectivity. Yeah, connectivity. Click on connectivity. Okay. Click on cloud connector. Okay. Now you see you are connected to the cloud connector. Okay. People you have not connected before, just check, go to this one and see cloud connector. You will see black. Okay. We have established now the connection between the trail account, BTP trail account, and the cloud connector. Fine. So now we need to connect to the on-premise system from cloud connector.
I have one question.
Yeah.
So this cloud connector, where is this? Just like we have BTP, is it on cloud only?
BTP is on cloud. Okay.
No, this cloud connector, cloud connector, where is it?
Is in the system, in the remote desktop.
In the remote desktop. So you logged in with the ID which this thing remote desktop provider might have provided.
Yes. They will install the cloud connector software.
Okay, so let's say in case of my client, that URL is generic, or it is given by
it
client
is not
only?
generic. It is not generic. Okay, it is based for the particular one only. It is not generic.
Okay, so my client will have different URL.
Yes, client will have different URL. Okay.
So whatever we are viewing, that this cloud connected details, that is in on-premise system, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. See, the basis will take care of these connections. Sometimes in an organization, if the client is small, they will ask us to do that. Okay, but it is very rare. Okay, it's all the basis stuff.
Yes, sometimes basis doesn't know. I mean, it happens rarely only. So sometimes we need to help them.
Yeah, we need to help them sometimes. Okay, so all of you are able to do this one cloud connector till here, because some people will face difficulty in connecting the cloud connector. because if they don't see, we have something called a universal ID. At the beginning, we have tried for some people and it was causing issue. Okay, there was universal ID and the BTP account ID. Both password should be same. Okay, if the password are not similar, then it will cause issue. Okay, make sure that universal ID and this ID is same. Fine. So everybody through this one, okay, make sure that you are connected to the cloud connector. And let me know once you are done. Then we will go ahead with the other thing. Okay. Tanushree, don't close it. Okay. Just go to the cloud connector. Okay. And make sure that they have the details. Okay. Everybody should look screen like this, green. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. Everybody, please see. Okay, so I have given the link and the user ID password as well in the chat as well. Okay, so everybody log in, those who are able to log into the cloud connector, just see whether you are able to register the things or not. Okay, so if you're not able, if you're not able to connect to the remote desktop, just see whether you are connected to the this system or not. Okay, to create this, you can ask your friends to create the things by giving your. Okay, if you are not, if you are able, if you don't want to share your Gmail ID password, okay, then you need to try on your. Okay, by seeing this recording, you need to try. But if you are sitting together, okay, then share the sub account ID, and you can enter the user ID password of your Gmail ID. Okay, because we need to have the sub account email account and password. Okay, so that's why I'm giving some time to check whether you are able to connect or not, because sometimes people will not get access to connect. Okay, so that's why I'm stressing here. Okay, just take 5 minutes to see whether you are able to connect. Let me know how many people are able to connect.
I connected, Vijay.
Okay, good.
I have error.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay. An error occurred while trying to see. Okay, display name, give some name.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Do one thing. Okay, you feel that you are after 3 attempts or 4? Okay, fine. It is not logging. Okay, can you go to your trial account?
Yours is AWS, not Azure provider, right?
Yeah, provider should be AWS.
Oh, okay, okay.
Given wrong.
This one, no? Should
US, type US. East.
this one only, right?
Yeah, you gave Azure below one.
Azure, okay.
Okay, sub account.
Thanks.
You need to copy paste that. To make sure there is no spaces at the beginning of the sub account. Okay. Okay, click save.
Okay. So there will be many regions here, right? So we need to.
Yeah, there will be many regions. Okay, so you are not able to connect it. The reason is your BTP
Password.
and the universal ID password is not same. Okay, so just go to your trial account.
It is same, I think. Okay.
Okay. Can you click trial home once? Go to trial home. Can you sign out once? Can you sign out? Okay. Just close this one and okay. Click on sign in. Click on sign. Click on sign in. BTP. Sign in. Okay, scroll down. Don't sign in. Scroll down. you see there is something called universal ID. Click on that. Okay. Already, okay. Okay, give your first name, region, and you need to give your universal Gmail ID as well here. Give the Gmail ID.
Already exists.
Already exists. So click on link account then. Okay, enter your user ID. Next, enter your password.
Okay, the PIDs needs to be linked.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Understood.
Okay. So account link. Okay. Click continue. Okay. Now
That's it, right? Now it is.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Click.
Close this. Close.
Okay. You can now go to your BTP account. Okay. So these two IDs should,
Okay.
if it is not linked or the password is different, then we will face issues. Okay. Okay. Click try now.
Yeah, I think recently I did for a customer account similar way. Like I linked all the IDs to the
Okay.
universal
Now,
ID.
Okay, let it be like this. Go to Cloud Connector.
Okay.
No, wait. Go to Cloud Connector. Click cancel. Cancel. Okay. Now click reload. Just reload this one. Reload. Click on reload icon. Okay. Now click on add sub account. Okay. Select the region. Okay. Sub account. Now you need to copy that. 4 is missing. You can give any display name. You can use space also. It takes. Okay. Okay. Click once again. Save. The second time it should connect. That means it's not taking. Okay. You might need to close all the browsers and try once again.
Okay, I'll try that one.
If that also fails, you need to change the universal ID password.
Password, okay.
The BTP account and this account have the same ID. Okay, that issue will occur. Okay, she didn't face that issue, so she could be able to log in. Okay, both the password of a universal ID and the BTP account is same for her. Okay, in your case, it might be different.
Okay. But where do we see that PID? Somewhere we saw, right? PID.
Yeah, it comes during the
First time.
Okay, just click on trial home once. Click on trial home. Go to trial home.
Yeah.
Click on trial home. Yeah. Now click on Business Application Studio. Okay, scroll down. Okay, you will have the SAP Universal. Okay, there you can say forgot password. Okay, and then
should I try seeing other accounts? No, right?
Not required. Click on that account details. Somewhere some account details will be there. You will have an option to change the password. Okay.
Here.
That is BTP. That one is for BTP. Okay, see, Business Application Studio Trial account. That is for the BTP.
Okay, but it's the same, right, for all?
No. So the issue will be the password will be different. If the password is same, fine, no problem. But if the password is different, you need to give the universal ID password there.
I have same actually, but no way.
Okay. It might be because of cache issues. Try it in incognito windows.
Okay.
Right. Okay. In the break, you try. Okay. Can you please share your screen? So can you log in to your GUI SAP HANA in trial account in remote desktop?
To add system.
Yeah, you need to add the system. Do you have the details?
Yes.
Okay, please add it. I'll ping these details in the chat such that everybody will connect.
Do I need to connect to some VPN or anything?
No need, because it's in the remote desktop, right?
Hmm.
You don't need to do any VPN.
It says unknown. Check your application server name.
See anything gone wrong? There is a space between you and yeah. So we have okay. Enter your user ID password. Enter the user ID.
Yeah, it's not taking. Z SAP Fiori
Let us
005.
005. They have given the password. Use that one, and it will ask you to. Fine. Okay, fine. So you are all familiar with this screen. Okay, but in order to connect to the BTP on the on-premise, we are using the cloud connector. Okay, what details should be given in the connection for this on-premise system? There is a T code called SMICM. Go to the T code SMICM. Enter this. Okay, SMICM. Enter it. Okay, so here on the top of the menu there is a port. Yeah, click on services. Okay, what do you see here? Okay, you have these things, right? The host name, port, and the protocol. Okay, so it's your wish. Do you want to go with the HTTPS or HTTP? Okay, so note down these details, port number and the host name for the HTTP and HTTPS in a notepad. Okay.
Or HTTP and HTTPS.
So click on the cell, Control by Control A, Control C. Yeah, good. Copy it in your notepad. Okay, like that, use HTTPS as well. Okay. In normal systems, in client environment system, we will not get access to this ICM monitor T code. Okay, because this will be done by the basis team only. The developers will not be given access. Okay, fine. So after that, can you go to the cloud connector? Okay, so in the cloud connector, there is something called cloud to on-premise and on-premise to cloud. Okay,
yes.
Click on cloud to on-premise. Your session has expired. You need to connect to cloud.
Cloud to on-premise.
No. See, you have connected to a different account, 16_S4. It's cloud connect. No, it's not your account, right? This one.
No.
Okay. Select sub account. Yeah, click on select sub account. Okay. Select yours. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now click on that. Okay. So we are going to select that one. What are the things which we have?
Backend type.
Okay, you can select S4 HANA, SAP HANA. Select SAP HANA. Okay, next. Okay, see what are the protocols that are there.
HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, TCPS.
Oh, do you want to go with HTTP or HTTPS? HTTPS is a secure one.
Yes, HTTPS is a secure.
Yeah, select that HTTPS. Click next. Okay, internal host, internal port. You have noted down the host of HTTPS. Okay, copy the host name. Copy the host name. The host name is both for same, but the port is different. Okay.
300.
Yeah. Click next.
It is recommended to use.
So, wait, I will tell you. Why virtual host and virtual port? Okay, you can give your own name or port number such that our actual thing will be here. Okay, so the hackers will not know what actual port or actual virtual host we are using. Okay, for the moment, let it be safe. No issues. This is a trial one, right? But in real scenario, it should be different. Okay.
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 Principal propagation.
Yeah, click OK next. Okay, principal type. Okay, so what are the things? Single sign, we are not using any certificates. Single sign on. Okay, we are used for that. So let's select compose. Okay, click next. And always use virtual host. It will also give you select the drop down. It will give you options, use internal host or virtual host. Okay, so use virtual host. Next.
Optional.
No need, no progress option. Okay. Trust for, yeah, click on check internal host. Let's see, click finish. Okay. So you see that it is reachable. Okay. There is a click on the first icon of actions. Yeah, click on that. It's reachable. Okay, the status is sometimes here it should also turn to green. Okay, fine. So there is something called down. Okay, so click on plus icon.
Here
down,
or
down,
here?
down.
Here.
Related to this one.
Resources. Okay.
Okay, so let's see our OData services or these US applications will always be under SAP folder. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, can you go to the system? Let it be. Can you go to the system? Okay, can you open? Can you come back to the T code? Use the T code SACF. SACF.
SICF. Okay.
SACF.
Yeah.
Okay. Click execute for the moment. Execute. So you see, there is a default underscore host. Expand this. Okay, so all our things will be under SAP folder. You can click on SAP folder, expand SAP folder. Okay, BC. Okay, scroll down. Okay, you see BSP.
Business.
Okay, scroll down. UI2 is there. Scroll down. UI5. Expand UI. Scroll down. See.
See and test. Simple test.
Okay, fine. See, our applications or the OData services, I will tell you the exact part, all will be under the SAP folder only. Okay. So we need to provide access for the cloud connector to this root one. Okay. For providing this access, we are adding now the next one. Okay, fine. So go to your cloud connector, I will tell you.
When we go to this maintain service T code, generally all the auditor services have a common path.
Yes, yes.
Can't you get it from there?
Yeah, but it will be under SAP only, right? /SAP.
Yes, I don't remember the path, but everything. I mean, all of them share the similar path.
Yeah, you can give that one. Okay, but
yes.
there is a folder called ADT as well.
Okay.
Okay, a web development toolkit. There is a folder ADT. Okay, we need access to that as well. Okay, you can specify. Okay, but to be at the moment we want to have access to all the subparts and subparts of SAP. Okay. So that's why I'm taking the root mode. I don't want to specify for each thing at the moment. Okay.
Okay.
So okay, please go to that screen. Okay, put /SAP. Okay, click on WebSocket. Check the checkbox. Okay, and click on the second one, access policy, path and all the subpaths.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now click save. Okay, you see it is green. Okay, so now you are able to access that. Okay, and you see there is a green now on the status as well. Okay, fine. So that means you are able to connect it. Okay, so for the purpose, okay, to everybody to have the details, can you click on the edit icon on the top? Okay, take the screenshot and put it in your chat so that everybody will see that. If somebody has missed it, they will use this one. Okay, take this screenshot as well.
Hey, you know, ZaranTech now offers SAP corporate training. That's right. Train your workforce in SAP with our comprehensive program. We offer customized courses, certified trainers, and hands-on labs for both individuals and businesses. Our standout features: bespoke training, fully configured servers for practice, in-house materials, and a dedicated LMS. Plus, get session recordings and 24/7 support. From functional to technical modules, we have got it all. Choose ZaranTech for SAP training and watch your team excel. Learn, upskill, succeed with ZaranTech.
Paste it in the chat. Okay. Also do the same thing further. Okay. Fine. Now, can you go to your this one, this BTP trail account, Cloud Connector trail. Scroll down. Okay. Just refresh. Click reload. And scroll down. Now you see, what do you see? Your on-premise system is connected to the cloud connector and BTP is connected to the cloud connector. That's why you are able to see this. Okay.
But I selected protocol HTTPS, right?
No problem. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay. We'll check that. Okay. Fine. But if anything wrong issue, we'll change that. Okay. No issues. Just see once in the let me check. Yeah, when it's HTTPS. Okay, no problem. Okay, fine. So we have established the connection from cloud to the on-premise, but we have not yet established connection to our business application studio. Okay, so to do that, okay, we have something called, in the connection there is something called destinations. In the not here, in the BTP trail account.
Okay.
Yeah, click on destinations. Okay, here we need to provide the destinations. Okay, for yours, since we created this one, at the beginning, there will be no destinations defined. So we need to define the destinations. Okay. So for this, say, create destination. Click on create destination. Okay. Give an name. It should not contain spaces. Give a name. Can give same UEFI. Okay. Underscore is also acceptable. Okay. See what are the types it is there. HTTP, LDAP, mail, RFC. Okay, let it be HTTP. Okay, give the description for your anything. Okay, it can description can contain spaces. Okay, no problem. Yeah, fine. Okay, in the URL, okay, you have a copied in the notepad.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, copy that one with HTTPS and port number. Okay, first go there. Okay, let me host name is copied there. No problem. Go to your this destination. Okay, type HTTPS colon not semicolon colon slash
2 slash.
Yes. Then enter the host name before the port. It should be the host name should be before the port. Yeah. Colon. And then the port number. Okay. Proxy is on-premise. Proxy type is on-premise.
Okay.
Okay. And see authentication. You can, what type of authentications can we have? Just expand it. These are the types of authentication. Okay, we don't have single sign-on, so we can have the basic authentication. Select basic authentication. Okay, location ID, leave it blank. Enter the user ID and password of the backend system. Which user you
means SAP system.
Yes, okay, and enter the password. Password of the log into the SAP system. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Now click on new property. We need to have some properties added here. Okay, in the drop down, select the drop down and select HTML5 dynamic.
HTML, this one, dynamic destination.
Select that. Dynamic destination should be mentioned as given values. The value should be true. TRUE. Small letters. Okay. Click on new property. Okay. Here you select HTML5 timeout. Okay. So give 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs milliseconds. Okay, that means 3 lakhs means 3 lakhs milliseconds. Okay, fine. Why we need that? We want to have certain timeout. After that, it will say I could need connect it. Okay, so click new property. Here, select SAP-client. Okay, what client did we select? 100, right? Go to the GUI screen. Go to the GUI screen. Go to the GUI screen. Log on.
Yes. Yeah. 100.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because there are when you try to log in, it shows you which client you need to log in. Okay. That's why I said. Okay. So that client number should be specified here. Okay. Next. Again, click new property. Okay, so here select Web IDE enabled. Web ID enabled. This should be true. Okay, why we are using this Web ID enabled is, okay, previously we used the tool Web IDE instead of Business Application Studio. Okay, we want to connect from Business Application Studio to the destination. Okay, so that's why it is asking us, they have added a property called Web ID enabled. They didn't change that one to BAS enabled. Okay, so no problem. Okay, now select new property. Okay, type product.name. It's not there. You need to type product.name. All small, product.name. Okay, you need to give capitals SAP space. Okay, yes/4. No, yes, only yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
S4. Okay.
S4. HANA. HANA without space.
Okay.
Okay. Now again click on new property. Okay. So here select Web ID usage. Properties Web ID usage. Okay. Here you need to give O data. All small. O data underscore ABAP, comma, dev underscore ABAP. ABAP. Dev
underscore. Oh, sorry. Dev.
Okay. So scroll down, come down. Okay. Click save. Okay. Scroll down. Click on check connection. You see, it should come. Now you are successfully connected to the from the Business Application Studio to the Cloud Connector. Okay, fine. Okay, can you just increase the decrease the zoom size, copy the screenshot and paste it in your
URL, which URL we gave
yeah, copy this one, destination configuration and entire screen and paste it in the thing.
Yeah.
Fine. Yeah, somebody was asking who is that.
So what is that URL? That is of Cloud Connector or on-premise system only?
See, the URL which we used is the URL which we connected to the cloud to on-premise. There, if you see that screenshot which is pinged in the chat, okay, there we selected HTTPS and the host name of that particular thing and the port number. Okay, there are two things, right? In the T code SMICM, there are three things.
Yes.
Okay, so that's why I have said copy the port and the host name for the HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, while configuring the on-premise system in the cloud connector, HTTPS. Okay, if you have used HTTP, then you need to give HTTP. If you are using HTTPS, give the HTTPS.
Oh, can you just show the cloud connector also? Let's see what is there, what we gave there. Show the cloud connector details.
Yeah, click on edit. You see protocol is HTTPS. Click on edit. Okay, you see.
Okay, so it will go to cloud connector and pick from here, verify from here.
Yeah.
Because we can have two different systems. Let's say one for SAP, another for BW. So BW will have its own cloud connector.
Yes.
Okay, and it will have the host name will be different.
Yes.
Okay, so we are direct in cloud connector as well as destination. We are giving the host name and port number which we are getting from the T code. Forgot the T code you mentioned.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
So do one thing, click on cancel. Okay, go to the destinations. Go to the destinations. Okay, so you see there are some things like edit, copy, download, check, and delete. So if you want to download, you can download it.
Okay.
Okay, there is icon on download. You can download it. Okay, and you can give it to your friends who are facing difficulty to enter this. Okay, and your friend should change the user ID and password. Password will not be copied. Okay, don't worry. Okay, password will not be copied in that one. You can give this file to your friends. Okay, you can ping it in your chat. Okay, you can drop down in the chat. Okay, your friends will be able to access it. Okay, and they can do that. Okay, can you ping it? Can you ping it?
But this is in remote desktop, like I have downloaded.
Okay.
I won't be able to share.
I think last time it was.
Okay.
Control C and put it put it in your.
So first try in with the store and see.
No, it's not working.
Okay, fine. You can do one thing. You can open the cloud. You can open the BTP account in your TCS system, and you can download it.
Yeah, that I can do.
Yeah, do that one and share it such that we will see one of your colleagues to access that file and you get those details. Okay. So who is willing to import this file?
I shared it. Is it? It came?
It is. She didn't share it. Okay.
No, I shared that file. Anyone can use it if required.
Okay. I will help her in getting the things such that. Okay, click on trial home account. Okay, go to the trial account. Yeah. Okay, click on connectivity. Click on destination. Okay, now download it. Download it. Okay. Fine. So you have downloaded whether it is downloaded or not. Fine. Okay. Delete your account here. Let it be. Go to your okay. Click on delete icon. We will configure it. Okay.
Okay.
Delete it. No problem. Delete. Okay. Click on import destinations. Okay. See, password will not come. Okay. Enter the password. Okay. For the others, they need to change if they are downloading, importing, they need to change the password and the user ID and also on the username as well. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Okay, now click check connection. Check connection. Fine. So you can successfully see that from the internet, you are able to connect to the cloud connector, and from the cloud connector, you are able to connect to the on-premise system. Okay, fine, that is good. Now go to your business application studio. Okay, stop. Let's start it. Okay, everybody create a customization request and workbench request in your S/4HANA system. Okay, start this one. Create a transport package as well. Okay, all of you guys are ABAP, so everybody knows how to create the transport package. Create a transport package called Jet Fiori or something on your own name as well. Okay. Do these two things. We will try to deploy the code into the server. Okay. So you have created the transport package work customer
Yes.
work best, right? Okay.
Uh-huh.
So open the UFI demo. Any project?
Yes.
Okay, let's try this one. Let's see first one whether you are able to preview this application or not. Right click this one and preview. Okay.
No.
It's not allowing. Okay, fine. Open the project folder and see the project which you have created. Open folder. Okay, click the folder. Okay. So which file do you want to deploy? Inter row 1 or table?
Table is fine.
Table is fine. Okay, right click the table and say open in a integrated terminal. Okay. So here, first we need to see whether our project has required files or not. Okay. So for this we say npm install first. Okay, there are 0 vulnerabilities. If there are vulnerabilities, we need to fix it. Okay, we use it npm autofix -force usd, right? It will come, so we will use that one. Okay, fine. So now we need to say we need to build our application. Okay, if you carefully see your application, there is no build.
Sorry, come again with it.
Right, npm. You see in the table, there is no dist folder. Okay, so right in the table, okay, now if you say the command npm run space run npm space run space build.
Space?
Build, build.
Okay, build.
Yeah, enter. What do you see? Dist folder.
It's created, yes.
So you should not change anything in the dist folder. Okay. Whenever you change code in the web app folder, then you need to say npm run build. Okay. So that will develop the folder that need to be deployed. Okay. So to deploy the code, we'll say npm run deploy. Okay. But you try it, no problem. Okay. Enter. Okay. So what it is saying, no deployment configuration has been detected. Okay, so if you see, there is no deployment configuration file in your table folder. It will be ML file. Okay, ML file will be ML file. Okay, it is not. We need to create that deployment descriptor. Okay, so say npm run deploy-config. npm run deploy-config. Okay, now it is adding deployment configuration. What is our system? ABAP system or a cloud foundry?
Cloud ABAP system we are using.
ABAP system, yes. So we need to deploy. So select the data center. You can use arrow marks to select the thing. Okay, if you say a page down arrow mark, it will select cloud connector. Okay, if you say page up, it will be the ABAP. You see, it is blue color. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this is selected now.
Press enter. Okay. Fine. You see now destination has come. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is the destination you are created, right? The business application uses the destinations which you have created. Okay. Fine. So expand, press enter. Okay. ABAP repository. Okay. The file which you want to deploy, what is the file name that need to be there? Okay. So you need to give a file name starting with Z or Y. As an abappers, you know that it will take Z or Y, right? Custom thing start with Z or Y. And our file name should be restricted to 15 characters. You cannot give more than 15 characters. Okay, it can include underscore as well. Okay, so give a name, meaningful name, with starting with Z with 15, less than 15 characters.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. See, suppose if everybody is using the same thing, get UI5 underscore table demo, then it will be replaced existing. Okay. To put an identification, you can put table demo your user ID 05. Instead of demo, put table 05. Yeah, that will be good. Okay. Press enter.
Okay.
Okay. This application where it will be can be seen, it can be seen under the BSP application. When we go to Object Navigator using SAP, we need to select business application, business server pages application, and then our application will be displayed here.
Here. Okay.
Restriction.
What should I provide here?
Any description about your application.
Okay.
You have created a table, right? So you can say table hyphen.
Okay, space is not allowed.
Space is you can give description, right? It is not. There is no restrictions here. You can give some length.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Press enter. Okay. So, what is it asking? Do you how do you want to enter the package? Okay. Do you want to enter manually or choose existing? Since it is a trial version, existing it is not taking. Okay. So always go for enter manually. Okay. So enter, select enter, press enter. Okay.
Package which you created.
What package you have created? Yeah, you can use that. Get Fiori underscore Taran. Okay, press enter. Okay, it's now asking the transport request. Okay, enter manually.
Okay.
Okay, enter the transport request. Workbench request.
Workbench, right?
Yeah, workbench. Okay, fine. It is. You can see now a deployment file, ML file has been created. Can you click that UI5 deploy -ml.ml? Previously, it was not there.
Yeah.
Yes. Just can you bring this down a little bit? Okay. Just see what it has created. You can see destination name is UI5. Okay, URL it has taken from the destination. You can see the app name is ZUI5 Tanu or TPL005. Description, you have what you are given. Just scroll down. Okay, package is the thing, transport is there, and exclude/test. Okay, and this folder will be excluded. Okay, fine. So this is the description or ML file. Okay, now type the command npm run deploy.
Okay.
Previously, it didn't get. Since the description file is there, you can see start deployment, type capital Y. Now it is deployed. There is no file there, so it will create that file. It is taking time. Let's wait. Yeah. Okay, you see, it has, since it has found that file is not there, it has created it. Okay, and you can see that the deployment is successful. Okay, and you can see the available URL. Okay, now go to SSCF, copy that. Okay, go to SSCF node in the backend system. Okay, and click apply. Okay. In the service name, give the BSP application which you have entered.
Sorry, come again.
Yeah, enter the BSP application, the UI5 application name which you have created. You get UI5_TB L005.
Okay.
Okay, and then enter. Yeah, apply.
Okay, apply.
Okay, you see that your application is under the SAP folder. Okay, two things will be created. One under BC, BSP, SAP, UI5 your name, and another one. Can you go down? You will see in UI5_UI5 folder.
Yes.
Scroll down.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, now can you open a new session and go to Object Navigator, SE80. Okay, fine. This is a table. No, this is a package. Go to business application. BSP application.
BSP application.
Yes. Enter your file. Press enter. Okay. Expand the first one, pages with flow logic. You see index.html has come. Expand the second one. Your files is there. Okay.
Okay. And
now
fragments we have
select the index.
Okay.
You can see all the component.js or component manifest.json. Okay, go up, little bit go up. Your index file, right click and say test. Okay, yes. Click that one. Okay, the application is opening. Okay, you can see that application is opening from UI5_UI5. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So deploying it takes in another folder, running it takes in from another folder. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Since see this file is not working. Okay. Right? You are not able to see the data.
Yeah.
Okay. Because the URL which we have provided, it is not taking in server. Okay. So if you go to manifest.json, you will see that difference. Because of that, it is not coming. Go to manifest.json, double click on it. Can you see URI is v2 not-win service? Okay, but the complete path is not there. Okay, that's the reason why it doesn't work. But in business application, it has the ML files. Okay, where the service is taken from. Okay, that details here you will not get. Okay, it assumes that it is in the service is in the OData folder.
Okay.
So that's the reason your application is not working. Okay, we need to give here the complete path, but it doesn't take. Okay, it will ask you, or if you give also, if you edit also, it will not change. Whatever changes you want to do, that has to come from the BTP. BS. Okay.
Okay.
So can you try with the second one as well? Try to deploy the same code, the second one. The interoperable one is there, right? So in Business Application Studio, you have created another one, right? Everybody try to deploy that, see whether you are able to deploy that code or not. Okay, so once that is deployed, let me know. I will tell you how to create a tile and how to display it in the Fiori Launchpad.
I forgot other commands.
npm run build. Okay, if you want, you can ping all those commands in the chat. npm run, npm install, npm run build, npm run deploy and config.
npm install. Then we have npm run build.
Okay, next is npm run deploy
config.
DEP hyphen config. Once config is ready, we need to use npm run deploy.
Regarding the deployment configuration, so using wizard, would it be faster and easier?
No. Without a deployment configuration, you cannot deploy the code.
No. I mean, deployment configuration, there are a lot of steps, right? Keeps asking. Can you use the wizard to just speed up it a bit?
Yeah, I will tell you that. While creating the project, we need to do that. Okay. I will tell you.
In application info, we can add it later also. I have not tried, but when we open application info,
I will show you that. Okay, I will show you that. Let all of you deploy the existing thing. We'll create a project from the new. Okay, and from it will ask the steps. What is the transport package? What is the thing which we need to?
I'm saying that from here also we can open the wizard.
Open the wizard?
Yes. I showed you that day, right? Open application info for service models. There we have one more option to add deployment config.
Okay, fine. Then we'll do one thing. Okay, select your project. Right click the project. Right click on your project.
This is the project.
Yeah. Right click and
application info. Below preview application. Yeah,
open application info. Okay, close that one. Okay, preview application, manage service model, manage XML annotation, scroll down. Add deployment config. Yeah, you can click this. Okay, so you can see it is asking to you ABAP target system is ABAP. Okay, or cloud connector. You can choose that two options. Okay. Okay. Destinations. Select this destination, which is picked from the destination file. Yes. Select it. Okay. Now queue the ABAP repository file. Now starting with jet, and it is limited to 15 characters.
Okay.
You can do 005. Yeah, scroll down, give the description, deployment description. Okay, enter the package manually. Okay, choose existing. Let's see, choose existing. Well, choose existing. Okay, let's see whether it brings up or not. Okay, see, yeah. It is bringing fine. That's good. Previously, it didn't give us options. Okay, but now it modified, I think. Okay, enter the transport. Okay, you can see existing. Just see existing. No need. Just see the existing.
From existing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was the one. Yes.
I think they have made a lot of change there. Okay, scroll down.
Finish.
Fine, click finish. Okay, so this is also a good tool. Okay.
So it picked the last two transport records, right? On its own.
Yes. Thanks.
So no need to run commands. Instead, we'll go here and deploy.
We have deploy here also, I guess.
Yeah, we are more old things, right? So that's why I was used mostly these things. So okay. Okay. Now try to deploy. You see there is a deploy. Click on the deploy. See that is internally triggering that deploy command.
All commands.
Yeah, click Y. No need to press enter. Yes. Okay. Press. Because the application is not there, so it is created. Okay, once it is created, just test the application.
Okay. Deployment successful.
Okay. Fine. So you will find your application. Press enter.
No application is deployed.
Okay, you need to come out of that T code once. Okay, because you are in the old one, right? It has a.
It was
ZUFA underscore.
Oh, I closed it. ZUFA intro underscore intro
and
05. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it came. Now expand
it.
Click on index.html file.
What sets ZaranTech apart in SAP corporate training? It's our unique blend of expertise and innovation. We offer customized courses tailored to each client's needs, ensuring relevant, targeted learning. Our vast trainer database brings you wisdom from the best in the field. Need resources? Access our extensive training material repository anytime. We are all about measurable results, providing detailed student metrics to track progress. And we don't just teach, we build community. Join our thriving social media network, connecting learners beyond boundaries. With ZaranTech, you are not just training, you are transforming your SAP expertise.
Right-click and test.
Index file will test.
This will know. Yeah.
This
okay.
one is
the model, all the things were in our project file. That's why it came. But the previous one is in from the different thing. So that's why it didn't come. Okay. Next one. Okay. Now I want to view this file in the Fiori Launchpad.
Okay.
So for this, we need to use an application manager to create a type. Okay. So can you type the T code? I will ping you. Okay. /UL2/FLPEAM. Okay. This is the T code to create the type. FLPEAM. AM. Yeah. Enter. Hello. So this is opens in a browser. You need to enter, give the user ID password. Okay, try to open it in the Edge itself. Okay, it's fine. So we are good to create a tile from here. Okay, can you say new standard catalog? Can you click on the new standard catalog? Okay, put a catalog need ID with starting with Z. So we are going to create a technical catalog. Z under ZTC. Okay, underscore. This is a technical catalog. Okay,
Okay.
JDC, and you can give any name. Okay, language is English. Okay, you can say technical catalog. Okay, give the package name. Fiori down, which you have given. Okay, you can use F4 alpha as well. No problem. Okay, transport request. Okay.
This is disabled.
Wait. Click the package. Click the package F4 help. Click the package F4 help. Yeah. Okay. Give the package name. Yeah. Select that. Okay. Select the transport layer. Okay. It's SAP, I think. Yeah. It depends upon your system. It's, we don't have any other things. So click on JS storage. Second one. Okay. Click OK. Go. Click on Go. Click on Go. Click on Go. Yes, okay. Now the transport layer has.
Now, yeah. Now
Yeah.
it is.
Transport layer. You can click on F4 help and then you can get.
This one is workbench. This one is customizing.
You need to select workbench only. Select workbench.
Workbench only. Let me cross check once. 265.
Okay. Click
This.
Save. Create technical object only. No problem. Let it be. Click Save. Okay. You have created the technical catalog. Okay. Give the technical so search with the technical catalog ZTC underscore UI5, click star. Okay, and you can click go. Your catalog is there. Select that catalog. So that catalog details has been created. Okay, fine. So now, okay, now we need to create the application for the thing. Okay, so we have already created the app. So click on plus. There is something on the top. Add. Yeah, click on that. And what type of apps you are creating? You can create a transaction app. You can create a URL application. You can create a tile only. Okay, you can create Fiori application. Okay, you can create web printer application. Okay, you can create a web client UI applications. Okay, so we want to create an application for Fiori. Okay, the UI5 is there. It comes under the Fiori only. So select that one.
There is one more SAP BTP.
No need. Okay, give the package name.
Yeah, I thought it will be.
Transport name as
Workbench only, right?
yeah, workbench.
Transport.
Yeah. Okay, now just bring. Okay, see, for any application to be visible on the Fiori Launchpad, okay, we need to create semantic object. Okay, and action, we can take it anything. There are so many actions will be there, but semantic object we need to create our own. Okay, to create the semantic object, go to your this one GUI and type okay, type /UI2 /SEMOBJ. SEMOBJ. SEM. E for elephant.
SEMOBJ. Okay, semantic objects. Okay.
Semantic object. Press enter. Okay. Now click on edit. Okay. Now click on new entry. Okay, type ZSM underscore Tanu. ZSM is semantic object. Okay, so after that you write your own thing. Okay, and semantic object name is semantic object for Tanu. Okay, here you create same. Okay, so click save.
Okay.
This is cross client. Okay, fine, no problem. Click the tick mark. Okay, click on display. Okay, because why I'm saying to go to the display and exit is if one person opens, other person cannot edit it.
Yes.
Okay. So just remember your semantic object. Z, copy that one. Okay, you can click on exit. Okay, now go to that application now you can enter the semantic object. Yeah, fine. See, it came.
It came in
actions. What are the different actions there will be? Just see what are the actions it is coming. You can see approve, change, create, display. Okay, you can select one of them. Okay, if you are creating an application, for the moment it's for a display. Okay, click on display. Or you can give your own name as well. Okay.
Okay.
But let it be small characters. Okay. Okay. Next, you need to give your application component. Okay. Where can I find this application component? Okay. Can you go to the BSP application in the SE80?
Okay. SE80.
Double click on component.js. There is a file called component.js in your folder. Double click on that. Okay. This is a little bit harsh on the developers, but we can't do. Okay, you can use Pretty Printer to align it. You can click on edit and you can say. Okay, fine, no problem. Click tick mark. Okay. Just use Pretty Printer.
I use the old UI. So this is Pretty Printer.
There is activate, no need of activation. Just see rather what two things. What are the right click on this one and try. Right click on this one.
Try Shift and F1, Dhanush. Use the keyboard shift.
Shift F1?
No?
No.
Control U and then.
Should be somewhere here.
Okay, fine. Let's see the output. Okay, just go to the top a little bit. First line. Go to the first line and press your end arrow mark. Yeah, little bit end up a little bit. A little bit. Wait. Just hold on. Okay. Now you see there is something called com.nano. logs.parts.interop. Right? Before dot component. Whatever it is there, you need to copy that. For any file.
Okay.
For your
before
file,
dot component.
Before dot. Control C. Okay, go to your application manager URL. Application manager. In the browser, Edge it is. In the Edge. Okay. Click, wait. Press enter.
Okay.
Okay. Click F4L. Click F4L. I will take.
I pressed enter now.
Yeah. It will get you the other data.
Okay.
Okay. So you can see ICF path has come up.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Let it finish.
Yeah. No, still no.
Okay. So if you click this 4, okay, it will give you the options and it will take all the details and it will fill the others things as well. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, can you click? Can you paste it once again on the top of the component ID? Yeah. Click. Yeah. Click go. Okay. You see, title has come. Select that one. Select items. Okay. What do you see? Okay. Okay. Yeah, fine. The application title, it has come. You don't need to fill the Fiori ID transaction code. Transaction code you need to fill for the T-code applications. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Allow additional parameters for this application to read additional parameters. Then we need to put allowed. Okay. Not allowed. It will be there, but let it be like that. Okay. And you give the title. Give the title. Yeah, you select for phone such that this application will be visible in the phone as well. Okay. Click application target title. Give some title here in the target application. Okay. Fine. Now click on save.
Just one question, Vijay.
Yeah.
This component ID we had to go fetch from component.js. So this particular thing I can see in manifest.json as well.
You will go in manifest.js, manifest.json. Okay. The convention way was that. Okay. Just in SAP recommends to go through the component.js.
Okay, but it is very helpful.
Yeah, we can take it from the manifest.json as well because you will have an ID in the app. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But like as we go follow the SAP documentation, they tell us to go this way. Okay.
Okay, then we will take from component.js only.
Okay. Fine. So yeah, tell me if somebody is asking about. Okay, fine. See, your data is synced. Okay. So you have something called technical catalogs and business catalogs. What are technical catalogs? What are business catalogs? Means technically you do so many things. Okay. So suppose you are in computer science background. Okay. So in computer science, there are so many technicality things which can be used for other branches. Right? Okay, so whatever you create, you put in a particular folder, technicalities. Okay, you put like a C, C++, you can put in that background or in a technical folder. Okay, but when it comes to the real application, okay, you might need to use for a business purpose. Okay, so what we do, we take whatever related applications that are necessary to build to work for the application. Okay, so see, in car there are so many parts. Okay, we to take those parts that are it has its own technicality. Okay, but when we build a car, we take all the technical parts of the car and then we assemble it and we put it as an business for business. We use it for we use the car. Likewise, okay, we will whatever applications we build, okay, that will be in technical catalogs. Okay, so we build business catalog such that we will use whatever the technical applications that are mentioned in the technical catalog in the business catalog. Okay, fine, understood. We'll not take all the technical catalogs, all the applications in the technical catalogs. We'll take one or two from the technicality and we will use it in our business purpose. Okay, so that's why at the moment I have told you to put in a technical catalog. Okay, so we need to create a business catalog. Okay, so far you have understood this one, how to deploy a code, how to create a tiles. Okay, what is the use of semantic object means? See, whenever we run an application in the Fiori Launchpad, okay, the application will be called based on the semantic object and action. Okay, you can use semantic object for different applications, but action will be different. Okay, so the semantic object and the action combined, we call it as an intent. Okay, any application, okay, will have unique intent. Okay, combination of semantic object and semantic action. Okay, based on that intent, the application recognizes the Fiori Launchpad, and that particular application will be called whenever a particular tile is clicked. Okay, that is the use of semantic object. Okay, fine. I think it has been disabled. Okay.
Yeah, it was like suddenly it restarted.
Is RDP1 or RDP?
Yeah, this one only, RDP1.
They gave me RDP only, that's why.
Okay. They gave us RDP1.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, for us, they have given RDP1.
Okay, fine. So just enter the password. Okay, don't try it. You can click cancel. Okay. You can access your system here as well. Okay. Or can you open your GUI in your TCS system? Now, can you don't worry about the remote desktop. Just in your system, there is a SAP logon pad is there. Can you open that SAP logon pad? Just close that remote desktop. Okay. Click on the SAP GUI.
No, it's in remote only.
You are in remote?
So on your desktop, we have GUI Launchpad, right? From our from our system GUI also, we can log into S4H. From here, yeah.
Okay.
Just add the connection detail. You'll.
I think I added it. Yeah, I added a while back.
Yeah, remove dot. Yeah. Enter the user ID password.
Why didn't we go to remote desktop then? When it is accessible from here only? For Cloud Connector?
No. The thing is, the Cloud Connector is in the
remote desktop.
Remote desktop. We can't access in here.
Okay.
Fine. Can you go to, now we'll go to Content Manager. Okay. The T code, like, do you know the difference between cust and conf? When do we use cust? When do we use conf? Means customization, configuration. Any idea? When do we use customization? When do we use conf?
Configuration.
Yeah.
Configuration is like we have standard application, we just need to configure it. Customization, when we need to modify the standard functionality using our custom code.
Okay. Here I'm talking about clients. Okay, we have created an application that need to be visible in all the clients. Then if you have clients, like if you have only one client, you can go for customization. Okay, if you have multiple clients, then we know we need to go for conf. Okay, such that that application will be visible in all the systems. Okay, so we have for content manager, we have something called /n/UI2/FLP FLP CM _ test. Okay. Yeah, there is something called conf as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have multiple clients, go for conf. Okay. If you have only a single client, then go for customization. Okay.
Okay.
So it is reading all the catalogs. So here we'll be creating our custom catalogs, business catalogs.
Does this take this much time usually?
Yeah, it will take time. If it might be in a remote desktop, it might have been faster. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's loaded.
Okay. So you see there are so many catalogs. And the first catalog has applications. Right? So let's create our catalog. You can click on create button. Okay. Put ZBC _ Okay, you can put your name, anything after that. Okay, fine. Give the title. Okay, click the tick mark.
Customizing.
It is asking for transport request, workbench request. Okay, customization request.
Customizing it.
Yeah, because we opened it in a customization, right?
Yes.
Yeah, click the tick mark.
Okay.
Okay, so you see that the apps here is empty, right? So we need to add app. Can you click on add tiles target mappings?
Add tiles to selected catalog.
Yeah, click on it. Okay, you can search by the component ID name. Okay, using component ID, or you can put with the title, whatever, or you can put with a semantic object. Okay, type anything you want to go with semantic object or title or okay ZSM. Yeah, click go. Okay, you see. You can also give intro Wi-Fi. It will come. You can also go with application thing. You can see com.nano parts. Also enter that. Okay, but easy to remember is title or the Fiori ID. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now click add tile target mapping reference. Fine. So we have created a catalog, custom business catalog. Okay, so let's create a role as well. Okay, what's the transaction to create a role?
SU01.
No,
PFCG.
Oh, PFCG, right. Oh, to add it is.
Okay, put ZBR _ done. ZBR _ done. BR, business role.
Business role.
_ done. You no need to put role. Okay, you can put BR _ done. Okay, now click on single role. Click on single role. Okay, fine. Give the description. Yeah. Now click on menu. Okay, so we need to add our, okay, click save. We need to add our catalog. Okay, now you see Fiori Launchpad is there, right? Select that one, Fiori Launchpad. Select the Fiori Launchpad. Yeah, now click on catalog. Okay, so it will ask you to enter the business catalog which you have created. Yeah, enter your name. Fine, the catalog has been added. Okay, now click on users, user tab. Okay, enter your user ID. Fine, now click on save. Okay, so let's see our application Fiori Launchpad. Okay, for that, use the T code /n/UI2/FLP.
So, Vijay, I have a question before we proceed further.
Yeah, sure.
So every time we have to create a technical catalog and then business catalog.
Not every time, okay. But if it is not there, then we need to do, okay. Because some apps we'll copy from another business catalog to our technical catalog, okay.
Okay, so when you get time, just this is difference between technical catalog and business catalog is not that much clear to me.
Okay, fine. See, you have different departments. Okay, in SAP you have different things.
Okay.
Okay, each one will have their own T codes, right?
Yes.
Okay, so but in real scenario, do we use all the technical T codes? No, right?
Why, Vijay, your voice was not there in between, I guess.
It's breaking. Even I cannot hear.
You're mentioning that different teams will have different T codes.
Yeah.
That we lost you.
Yeah, but for a business purpose, do we use all the T codes?
Okay, so some T codes we keep for maintenance, and some T code will give to business users.
Yeah. So we need only few for the end thing. So we will use a business catalog such that is used for business. Okay. So whatever T codes that are required, we take the T codes from the technical T codes, technical catalogs, and put it in the business catalog as a reference.
So all the T codes would be there in technical catalog, but only few will be there in business catalog, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay. I click on that cross mark. Okay. See, you are into the spaces. We have not dealt with space. I will tell you separately. But my aim is to show you in the Fiori Launchpad. Okay. Fine. Okay. You see that on the top there is a shell-home. Shell-home is the intent which contains semantic object shell. Home is the action. Okay. This is a unique thing that is required to open the Fiori Launchpad. Okay. Fine. Shell-home on the top of the URL, in the URL. You see SAP-language equal to n #shell-home. Now there is a jet on the, there is a jet jet icon on the top right. Click on that. Okay. Click on App Finder. Okay.
Business catalog.
Yeah, you have created a catalog called UI5 Intro Demo, right? Click on that one. Click on cross. Delete that one. Delete the search.
Okay.
Okay. There is on the left-hand side. There is a menu. Catalog 1, UI5 Intro Demo. Okay. You have created UI5 Intro Demo, right?
Yes. Oh, yes, it's already there. Mm-hmm.
Click on that. Okay, so this is the application you are looking for, right?
Yes.
Okay, click on that. Okay, see the application is open. Do you see on the top anything difference on the top of the URL? In the URL, what is that? It is showing. It is showing the semantic object and the action.
Yes.
Okay, this is the use of semantic object and action. Okay, this will be unique for every application. Okay, you see there is a tile, right? When you clicked on that tile, it opened this application. Okay, the target mapping. When you are creating the tile, it also created tile plus target mapping (TM). Okay, the one which you saw on the screen is the tile. When you click on that tile, it triggers the target mapping. Okay, the target mapping will be called based on this intent, which is a combination of semantic object and action.
Object and action.
Everybody clear why we created the semantic object now?
Yes.
In the next class, I will pictorially show you how we can do that. Okay? Okay, I will pictorially show you the difference of what is semantic object, what is action, okay, how the tiles will be linked to the space, how the tiles are linked to the group, okay, and how we need to create the spaces.
Okay.
Our intention is to go for the application to be launched in the Fiori Launchpad that we have achieved.